So we emptied the mulch or chips, whatever, and our next thing is to remove a wood burner from our other garage and bring it into the new garage, although we're not hooking it up today. So what we had to do was go into our storage unit and pull out this old, what is this, from a factory thing?
Yeah, it's a metal cart.
It's a metal cart, huge, strong metal cart. And so Sam was thinking, how is he going to move this wood burner, because it's cast iron and super heavy. So then he remembered we had 3 of these, I believe. And so he's going to put it on here and attempt to roll it onto the car trailer, not this trailer, right?
We'll lift it in with the truck, right?
Oh, he's going to use the tractor. That's going to be interesting. Maybe he'll let me video that and nothing will break. But okay. All right. On with our day. Okay, I wish I'd have started this earlier, but Sam used his tractor with the chain on there to pick up this wood burner. This is an actually really old handmade wood burner made of cast iron, and it's pretty old. Let's see, 40 years old maybe? I guess that's not really old, but it worked really well in my house for about 3 decades. And then we got a more energy efficient one, which I actually don't like as much. It's just cumbersome and I just, ugh. But anyway, so Sam's going to put this one in his garage. We had it in this garage here, not hooked up, just in storage. He wants to hook it up in his garage. So he used his tractor, chained it up, lifted it onto the cart, and now they're going to take the cart and put the cart on the trailer, and then I'm going to haul that while he hauls a load of chips. So another busy, productive day, but this is how this is working out. Oh, okay. Oh. That's how it's going to work, is it? I don't think he has clearance. I will pause it and help, but then I feel like somebody's just going to say I paused it just when it was getting good, so I'll stay out of the way. No, you can move it up this end. It's fine. Oh, that weighs a whole lot. I just saw that trailer just drop. I think we're gonna. Next, we put this tractor behind the wood burner on the cart, secure everything, and we're good with this trailer for the move. We do have another tractor, but its carburetor needs cleaned out and it doesn't stay running, so it's honestly just been easier to keep bringing this one back and forth from the other place. So that's what we do. So we're back at it today, getting more free chips, and some of this stuff is so beautiful. Like, look at that. That is so tiny. It is perfect, and this will take only probably a year to break down, maybe 2, but it's so much nicer than some of the huge stuff. Well, this isn't so good. It has a lot of branches in it, but it's still nice and small, and I'm not picky. Free wood chips are free wood chips. This is awesome. I love this. Look how nice this is. I know, like, what kind of person gets excited over wood chips? And this is so much nicer than that. I don't mind that it has leaves and branches in it, but the leaves are whole, the branches are whole. They just toss a lot of that in there, and I mean, I know that. That's their job, just to get done. There's a lot of asphalt that was dumped. We'll, of course, put that to the side and not take it. This is nice, but what we're working on is this one over here, which was further back and also by far the nicest, smallest pound. Now you saw that piece of plastic. Because they do these trees along the road and on properties, you have to pick out trash sometimes. And then, of course, because a lot of these are by the road, I don't use them immediately in food things. So just in case they were sprayed. Now, this is okay stuff here, but see how it's big chunks? That actually looks like it was done by somebody's yard trimmer. But like I said, it's fine. And like, they've already put so many of these loads over the hill. I definitely could not have taken all that they had, but there's some more firewood we're going to pull out if it doesn't get pushed over. But of course, Sam works, I think he's at work like 50 hours, 60 hours a week, definitely way more than 40. So he gets up at 3 in the morning, doesn't get home until 4:30, and then goes to bed by 7, 8 o'clock, just to start the whole thing over again. And so on the weekends he doesn't have a whole lot of time. But this is saving us a lot of money doing this, and helping us out a great deal with our hugel mounds and our back to Eden gardening and our mulching purposes for not having to pull weeds. So he's loading up his new trailer. I'll tell you what, that trailer is almost paid for itself already. Not quite, but definitely it's going to be close. Especially, I think this is our 4th or 5th load, and if we had to pay for these, it's definitely worth it. Okay, so we're all up and ready to go. One trailer there, the other trailer there with the chippies on it, and we're off. Okay, so we're here to mow her off, and the next step is to move the behemoth onto the pad somewhere. And I think, are you guys just gonna try to roll it down? Okay. Turn. The center wheels don't look like they do turn, just the front and the rear. I'm gonna get out of the way, by the way. So we decided that we're gonna use a hook stick to control the speed at which that cart goes down off the ramp. So since they're the workers, I'm the gopher, so I'm just walking up to get it. You just walk with me and then listen to me get so totally out of breath. Here's just another look at the mulch, that good mulch that we put here the other day. The trees that need done. The greenhouse, we left the plastic untrimmed because we're supposed to put up roll-up sides, and of course we haven't gotten to that either yet. And this looks terrible, I know, but I put the cardboard along the bank here because my son usually does the trimming, but he's been really busy doing other things. So to save his time, I just suffocated it with cardboard. And that'll last a season. And I'm walking. So this is what I was sent to get. Who can tell me what that is? That's the whole device and what industry it's used in. The reason we have these is because the industry that uses them were throwing them away, and they have to be perfect for the industry they're used in. So if they get a bend, or if they don't open and extend, then they get rid of them, and they're still good for, you know, pulling your boat in, holding on to things. We've used them to pull down branches to cut or to trim or to pick apples or whatever. So they're pretty handy for a lot of different things. But let's go see what we're going to use it for now. All right, it looks like they managed to get it straight on, and they did wait for me. I was afraid they would, you know, manhandle it and try to get it done. See where they went. Okay. That's to hold it like backwards so it doesn't crush him. Turn it over, Michael. Yeah, there you go. There you go. So this is the goal. Well, yeah, just don't let it crush him. Uh-oh.
Back to you. I'll get a little rest.
1, 2, 3. No, keep going.
That's right.
Nice. Good job, guys. Now it's super easy, eh?